Welcome to the Creality 3D Scanners channel. This video is about how to scan black, reflective metal, and transparent objects with Creality Raptor Pro. Select Parallel Line Laser Mode for scanning black objects. Apply reflective markers before scanning. Let's create a project. Choose the Parallel Line mode and set point distance to 0.2 mm. Increase camera exposure and laser brightness to make laser lines complete. Click Start Scan and move the scanner back and forth at a consistent speed. Adjust angles to scan side areas. Finished. Click Merge and set the point distance to 0.2 mm to generate finer point cloud data. Remove irrelevant data. Apply reflective markers before scanning. Create a project. Choose the Parallel Line mode and set point distance to 0.1 mm. Start scanning and move at a consistent speed. Adjust angles to scan side areas. Click Finish Scan. Click Merge and set the point distance to 0.1 mm. Remove irrelevant data. Transparent surfaces cannot be scanned without treatment. We need to spray on the surface. For better results, reflective markers still need to be applied. Create a project. Choose the Crossline mode and set point distance to 0.3 mm. Adjust laser brightness to ensure no red or blue appearance in the IR window. Keep the movement steady during scanning and adjust the angle to capture complete data. Adjust angles to scan side areas. Click Merge and set the point distance to 0.3 mm to generate finer point cloud data. Remove redundant parts in the point cloud. That wraps up our tutorial and demo on scanning black, reflective metal, and transparent materials. Subscribe to our channel for more practical 3D scanning tips.